Hi guys, hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome guys, welcome. So guys, today this is the unit that we're going to be installing. So this video is specifically for people who don't know how to install their laces. So first time people who need to learn how to install their lace wigs so that they can slay. So yes, so hi. So here let's unbox the hair. So the hair is from Premier Lace Wigs, and this is the hair guys. It came with this booklet, so basically it can guide you, show you everything that you need to know about hair and all that. So the hair is from Premier Lace Wigs, and this is the hair guys. This is the hair. I love. I just love the hair guys. Look at that. And the best thing with this hair is that the lace came bleached, so it is very perfect for beginners. It is so perfect for beginners, people who are beginning out. You see the knots are bleached, so you don't have to worry, you don't have to be like, oh my god, oh what. So yes, this is me. Let's get into the video. I told you it also has this strap, so you can wear it glueless. You see everything, the knots are bleached. Let me show you how it looks when you pop it on. So my loves who love highlights, this is definitely for you. So check my description box for the hair links and everything, and make sure guys you use my discount code and you get some money off. Use my discount code. Make sure you check in the description box, okay? Thank you so much. So yes, this is my hair. This is how it looks. The lace is amazing and the hair is amazing. The code is Jalia10, so in case you want to get some $10 off, make sure when you're checking out you put the discount code as Jalia10 so that you can save. Yeah. So the hairline is look like this, and they actually cut a bit of baby hair. Yes, baby hair. I love blondes. Of recent I've become a lover of blondes. So first of all, to install your hair, the first thing is to make sure you take away your hair. So what I'm doing is I'm taking away my hair. I'm just using a bit of wax to kind of take away all my natural hair so that I can lay it back. First tip is make sure you take away your edges, protect your edges, okay? And then you can lay it back. First of all, if you're beginning out to lay your wigs, make sure you get a good wig with a good lace so that you don't have to have an ugly lace. So this is basically perfect for you, and they have different wigs on their website, so go and check out. Perhaps you might love one that doesn't have highlights or what. So I'm going to get a pair of scissors and I am cutting off this lace guys. I want to show you something. I want to show you how this lace melts directly into your skin without doing anything. I want to show you. So I'm cutting off this part of the lace. I want to show you how it looks, how the lace really took my breath away. You definitely don't need a lot when it comes to this lace. This lace was melting. It is so good. So cut off. I love this pair of scissors, and yeah, I love it. So let me show you because I remember I lifted it up. Yeah, you see, the moment you put it on, it melts. It goes with the flow. So let's cut off the rest of the lace, and then you can see the next. I told you guys this is beginner friendly. It is for people who are beginning out to wear their wigs. This is simple. In case you cannot use this to cut your lace from your head, you can put it somewhere and cut it. So when you're done, I love to go in with a flat iron. Guys, anyone who is wearing this hair which is not yours, these wigs, you need to have a flat iron. Sorry, a hot comb. A hot comb changes your game. It changes the hairline. It changes basically everything. This wig was so nice. It is so good. It had the best hairline. one of the best hairlines I've ever seen. So you can use any of the two. You can decide to wear it glueless the way you see me, or you can use this glue, or you can use a spray, or you can use both. Okay, so me personally, I hate to wear my wigs for even more than a day. So at the end of the day, I usually put off my wigs. So I normally go in like with a bit of spray and maybe a bit of wax. Yeah, that is the best I can do. Yeah, so I'm laying my hair, I'm laying my edges, my fake edges using my hair wax, yes, to slick it down, to make sure that it stays in one place. Okay, yeah, this is what I'm doing. Not doing a lot, putting a bit of wax around this area that bothers me a lot, but this wax sorted it out. I love it. So you can see like the way it looks natural, the way how everything is flowing, how everything is coming out. Most of the people I know, they hate to wear their wigs and last for long, so that's why I decide to wear, you know, a bit something that I can take off at the end of the day, something that doesn't damage my edges. As you know, we are supposed to maintain our edges. You guys, you see me, I wear lots of wigs, but my hairline is always there. It's because I don't put glue onto my hairline. So here was just kind of sampling to see how it will look with baby hair, and yes, definitely it looked better. So just get a spoolie and just lay your edges. Yeah, in case you love edges. There are those people who don't love edges at all, so you can, you know, move, you know, you can live without edges. But some of us, when we wear this fake hair, we want to wear these edges as well. By the way, it's 100% human hair. It is 100% human hair. I feel like I usually miss out on talking about that. The hair is 100% human. You can earn it, you can curl it, you can say, but this one is a straight wig. Yes, this is a straight wig. It's a blonde, like it is kind of a mixture. So it is blonde highlights with brown. Okay, the lace is transparent HD. It's a 13x4 lace frontal wig. So I set it just here, and yes, it's up, the density is 180, the inches it's 22 inches. Yes, the knots are bleached. It has an elastic band, like literally everything is on this hair. Indian hair, by the way, it's Indian Remy human hair. So you know, when you talk about Remy hair or Indian hair, like you basically know you're dealing with the best. Ta-da! So this is how it looks, you know, when we comb it with our comb. But the hair is the wig is straight, so you can put in curls in case you're interested, or you can just leave without curls. So this parting was not giving me the vibe that I was looking for, so I kind of wanted to reduce on the hair that was on this parting. This is a bit complicated, but most of the time when I'm doing my own hair and I trust the lace, I just kind of pluck out that part that I've sectioned out, and you can see it is a bit like visible. Now you can see the part is visible. So yeah, you can go in with your hot comb to kind of flatten that area. I do not have wax. I was out of wax, hair wax, but still the hair, everywhere I took it, it could remain. This hair is good. It is perfect though. You see, everywhere I put it, it was going there. So yeah, this is the hair. You can see I'm combing it, and I told you it's from Premier Lace Wig. Premier Lace Wig. Everything is down in the description box. premierlacewig.com. So make sure you check them on Instagram. I'm going to leave it also their Instagram handle, so make sure you check it out. Para use my code. So I'm going to take a bit of foundation, the skin color of my foundation, and I'm going to kind of make this part to look exactly like my skin. Do you get it? I want it to look exactly like my skin. Here, when we are faking it, we have to fake it. Any beginner, make sure you have like that small brush in handy. It is so good, so important. Make sure you always have your brush in handy. Okay, make sure you have that brush, the one that has concealer or a bit of foundation in handy. So I'm just going to put a bit of wax. This part was not cooperating. This is why I put a bit of this edge control. So it is like edge control, but it's like wax. Yeah, it wasn't cooperating, so I was really trying to make it cooperate so that, yeah, we can be good friends. So yeah, so at the end it cooperated. Hey, I told you. At the end of the time, you're supposed to cooperate with me, whether you want it or not. Yes, the front, you can see everything is perfect. Everything, the less the hairline. This is where it stops when you stand. I just want to show you where the hair stops when I stand. Okay, so this is where the hair stops when you stand like this. And I'm going to just put a bit of these silk drops to kind of like, you know, revive the silkiness of the wig. And yeah, this is how it looks. You can see. Just tell me how you like it. Tell me if you like it. Tell me the rate that you're going to give me. I know you're not going to type it because I've told you, but if you can type it, it will be good. Leave me a comment down below and tell me, you like it? Yes, you like it. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. So you guys, make sure you check out everything down in the description box. And this is the actual hairline, how it looks. And don't forget to comment July baby, so that I want to give out this hair. Yes.